Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see very important aspect of English language, communication language, English language, reading and writing. Reading and writing is the important skills. Listening, reading, writing, speaking. 4 skills. Listening, last class I have given. Reading and writing. We know how to read and how to write. We are writing and we are reading newspapers, we are reading books, we are reading so many things. But what are the skills hidden there to improve your reading practice and writing practice? You have to improve 3 skills. What are they? Skimming and scanning, diction and tone, identifying topic sentence. These are the main skills involved in reading and writing. I will explain one by one. Skimming and scanning. What is skimming? What do you mean by skimming? Skimming means on seeing the title or on seeing the first line of the paragraph or story or anything, any article, you can understand the concept. Understanding the concept by just reading the title or first paragraph or last paragraph, conclusion paragraph. Without reading the full article, you can understand the article. That is skimming. I will give you one example. தமிழிலே சொல்றேன். பள்ளிகள் திறக்கப்படும் என்று அமைச்சர் கூறினார். அதான் ரைட். பள்ளிகள் திறக்கப்படும். அமைச்சர் அறிவிப்பு. On seeing this, you will come to a conclusion. So, schools are going to reopen soon. பள்ளிகள் மீண்டும் திறக்க போறான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம். அது உள்ள கண்டென்ட் என்ன இருக்கும் அதை படிக்காமலே சொல்லலாம். கொரோனா வைரஸ் காரணமாக ஊரடங்கு சட்டம் நடைமுறைப்படுத்தப்பட்டு கடந்த 6 மாத காலமாக பள்ளிகள் மூடப்பட்டு உள்ளன. இப்பொழுது கொரோனாவின் தாக்கம் குறைந்திருப்பதால் பள்ளி கல்லூரிகள் அடுத்த மாதம் இறுதி வாரம் திறக்கப்படும். These things you can understand without going into deep. Just reading the title, you can understand. That is called skimming. Schools will reopen soon. Education Minister. That is the title. On seeing the title, you have understood so many things. Why the schools have been locked? When the schools have been locked? எப்ப பள்ளிகள்லாம் மூடப்பட்டது? ஏன் மூடப்பட்டது? இப்ப ஏன் திறக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் வருது? இதெல்லாமே எல்லாம் உள்ள இருக்கும் content. Without reading those things, you can understand. This is called skimming. Scanning. Scan. நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Scanning the word. Scanன்றது பாடியை ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுங்க. Go and take a scan. CT scan எடுங்க. MRI scan எடுங்க. Doctors would have told. Doctors are telling their patients, you go to hospitals, you can witness. Please go and take a scan. UV scan, ultrasound scan, MRI scan edunga. Scan means searching for a particular, scanning. See, as soon as a student sees this message, schools are going to reopen or colleges are going to reopen, immediately he will look for the date. You won't bother about anything. So date, எந்த டேட்ல நம்ம ஸ்கூல் திறக்க போறோம், உடனே immediately you will go and search, scan பண்ணும், எந்த டேட் எங்கன்னா போட்டிருக்கா, That is called scanning. Scanning for a particular thing, searching for a particular thing in that paragraph, in that article. That is called scanning. Fantastic. பாடியில் ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, இமீடியட்டா ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுங்க. எந்த பார்ட்டை ஸ்கேன் பண்ணணும்? ஹார்ட் ஆர் லங்ஸ் ஆர் கிட்னிஸ், அதை மட்டும் ஸ்கேன் பண்ணும். Is there any problem? Is there any block? Scanning. So skimming and scanning. Next, diction and tone. What is diction? Words which make the sentence, which makes the sentence interesting, involvement. Example, a famous actor has been admitted in the hospital. Question mark. In the famous hospital, Apollo Hospital. Immediately this word, an actor has been admitted in the hospital. We don't bother. A famous actor, பிரபலமான நடிகர் மருத்துவமனையில் அனுமதி அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் மார்க் பாருங்க. பிரபலமான நடிகர், who is that? Immediately we will, who is that actor? Famous actor. He may be X, he may be Y. Who is that? We will get some enthusiasm. You want to know immediately. That word induces. These types of words are called diction. What is tone? Question mark. Immediately we will say, what happened? Is this true or false? These feelings. So, identifying topic sentence. Topic sentence, title. We have seen so many stories. Akbar and Birbal, Lion and the Mouse. Heading itself reveals. It will come in the first. Corona, COVID-19. It will start with the title also. The paragraph will start with the title also. It gives a main idea of that content. Title. So, title vekram. Alippu. That is called identifying topic sentence. So, reading and writing main skills are skimming and scanning, diction and tone, identifying topic sentence. Are you able to understand? So, skimming. Just on reading the title or first paragraph or the conclusion, you can understand the concept well without going full article, going into deep. Scanning, you are searching for a particular point in that paragraph. Diction, the words. The tone, the feelings. Identifying topic sentence, the topic, which gives the whole content, which reveals the whole content. So these are the three skills. Okay, next article, next video. Thank you.